Now, how do you put on the blue light filter on the iPhone with a shortcut, right? So let's explain all of this in this video. Let's get started. If you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, so the blue light filter is called night shift on the iPhone. So if you're using the shortcuts application from Apple to set up some sort of automation or a shortcut, right, the action that you need to look up is literally night shift. And you can see you can set the night shift on or off. And of course, it depends on the rest of the shortcut or whatever, but this will perform the blue light filtering, right? So if you're using the shortcuts application, this is what you need to look up. However, if you generally just want to plan or schedule your blue light filter, you can find it in the settings, display and brightness, and we have the night shift button there. So you can turn it off, like schedule it from specific times or sunset to sunrise, which I believe is actually a little bit better. So I use it this way. And also you can change the color temperature. So play around with it and find the perfect temperature for you. So of course it is filtering the blue light. So, more or less light can be filtered. So that's how it works. These are the two things which crossed my mind, and this is probably what you are referring to. But if there is something else which I didn't cover, let me know about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.